Here I have CUBOT Max 3, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then when you adjust the normal picture mode, hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let's take it. So as you can see right now I'm taking a burst shot, saving 18 pictures, and here we can review them. Okay, so here we have like our all these 18 pictures that we took, and you can find them just in gallery as the separate pictures, not as one like picture where we can review burst shots. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.